Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Changes in method of depreciation. A company had a balance of rupees 4,05,000 on 1st January 2015 in its machinery account. 10% per annum depreciation was charged by diminishing balance method. On 1st July 2015, the company sold a part of machinery for rupees 87,500, which was purchased on 1st January 2013 for 1,20,000. As a part of it became useless, and on the same date, that is on 1st July 2015, the company purchased a new machine of rupees 2,50,000. On 31st December 2015, the directors of the company decided to adopt the fixed installment method of depreciation from 1st January 2013 instead of diminishing balance method. The rate of depreciation will remain the same. Compute the difference of depreciation to be charged to profit and loss account and prepare machinery account for 2015. Computation of WDV as on 1/7/15 and profit loss on sale of machinery. Cost of machinery as on 1st January 13 is 1,20,000 minus depreciation at the rate of 10% on for 2013 is equal to 12,000. So WDV as on 31st December 13 is 1,08,000, that is 1,20,000 minus 12,000. Less depreciation 10% at 14,000 for 2014 is 10,800. So WDV as on 31st December 14 would be 1,08,000 minus 10,800 is equal to 97,200. And again depreciation at 10% for 6 months up to 30th June 2015 is 9,720 by 2 is equal to 4860. WDV as on 1st July 15 is 97,200 minus 4860 is equal to 92,340. Sale value is equal to 87,500. So loss on sale is 4,840. Book value of remaining machine as on 1st January 2015. Book value of total machinery 4,05,000 minus book value of machine sold 97,200 is equal to 3,07,800. Computation of book value of unsold machinery as on 1st January 13. Machine sold having WDV as on 1st January 15, original cost on 1st January 13 is 1,20,000. Then the cost of the remaining machine on 1,13 was 3,07,800 into 1,20,000 by 97,200 is equal to 3,80,000. Amount of additional depreciation due to change in the method of depreciation. WDV as on 31st December 14 as per fixed installment method is 3,80,000 minus depreciation for 2000, that is 38,000, plus depreciation for 2014, that is 38,000, is equal to 3,80,000 minus 76,000 is equal to 3,04,000. WDV as on 31st December 14 as per written down value method is equal to 3,80,000 minus depreciation for 2015, that is 10% on 3,80,000 is equal to 38,000 plus depreciation for 2014 is 10% on 3,80,000 minus 38,000 is equal to 10% on 3,42,000 is equal to 34,200. So the written down value is 3,80,000 minus 38,000 plus 34,200 is equal to 3,80,000 minus 72,200 is equal to 3,07,800. Hence, the difference in depreciation charged to PL account is 3,07,800 minus 3,04,000 is equal to 3,800. Machinery account as on 31st December. We show the ledger in two parts, debit side and credit side. So in the debit side is the first January 15, the balance is 4,05,000, and then the new machinery purchased would be 2,50,000. So the machinery account is 6,55,000 in the debit side. The credit side would be on 1st July 15, the sale of machinery is 87,500. Then the depreciation for 6 months 4,860. Then first profit and loss on disposal, we have already shown the calculation, 4,840. So by PL account, that is additional depreciation, adjustment for additional depreciation, that is 3,800. The calculation have been explained. So and then depreciation 10% on 3,80,000 is 38,000, and 10% on 2,50,000 for new machine purchase for 6 months is 12,500. So the total depreciation for the year is 50,500. So the balance is the difference between the debit side and these entries in the credit, that is 5,03,500. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.